In this video, I'll show you how to buy courses in Udemy. Buying a course on Udemy is a simple way to start learning a new skill, whether it is programming, business, design, marketing, personal development, or another topic you are interested in. First, open Udemy in your browser or mobile app and sign in to your account. If you do not have an account yet, create one using your email address, Google, Apple, or another available sign-in option. Next, use the search bar to find the course you want. You can search by topic, skill, instructor name, or keyword. For example, you can search for Python, Excel, digital marketing, graphic design, or project management. When you see the search results, click a course that looks interesting. Review the course page carefully before buying. Check the course title, description, rating, a number of students, instructor profile, course length, lecture list, requirements, and what you will learn. You can also watch preview videos if they are available. This helps you understand the instructor's teaching style before purchasing. Once you decide on a course, click Buy Now if you want to purchase it immediately. You can also click Add to Cart if you want to choose more courses before checkout. Next, go to the checkout page. Enter your payment method, such as a debit card, credit card, PayPal, or another option available in your country. If you have a coupon code or Udemy credits, apply them before completing the purchase. Before confirming, review the course name, price, discount, taxes, and final total. When everything looks correct, click the final payment button to complete your order. After the purchase is successful, you should go to My Learning. Your new course should appear there, and you can start watching the lessons right away. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.